Unveiling the Silence, the art of using a cello mute. Hello, and welcome to our journey into the beautiful world of music and language learning. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that bridges the gap between musical expression and English language learning, using a cello mute. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding cellist, or an English language learner eager to expand your vocabulary, this video is crafted just for you. Let's dive into the serene and subtle art of muting a cello and understand what it truly means. A cello mute is a small yet significant accessory used by cellists to alter the sound of the cello. It's designed to dampen the vibrations of the cello strings, resulting in a softer, more mellow tone. The use of a mute can add a touch of intimacy to the music, making it perfect for certain musical pieces or effects. Mutes come in various shapes and materials, each contributing a unique character to the sound produced. The primary purpose of using a cello mute is to change the instrument's timbre, making the sound more subdued and delicate. This technique is often employed in orchestral music and chamber music, where a composer desires a particular emotional effect or atmosphere. It's not just about lowering the volume. It's about transforming the mood and color of the music. There are several types of cello mutes, each with its own application and effect on the sound. Torte mute, the most common type, made of rubber, and ideal for general use. Practice mute, made of heavier metal, significantly reducing the sound for quiet practice sessions. Wolf tone mute, specifically designed to eliminate or reduce the wolf tone, a common acoustic anomaly in string instruments. Understanding the differences between these mutes helps players choose the right mute for the desired sound effect or practice needs. Using a cello mute involves placing the mute on the bridge of the cello, between the strings. The process is simple, but the placement and the type of mute used can greatly affect the sound. It's important to experiment with different positions and mutes to find the perfect balance for your music. We hope this exploration into the art of using a cello mute has enriched your understanding of both the English language and the beautiful intricacies of cello playing. Remember, music and language are both forms of expression, and learning about one can greatly enhance your appreciation of the other. Thank you for joining us on this melodious journey. May your learning path be as harmonious and enlightening as the music we've discussed today.